Cities cover just 3% of Earth's surface, but they consume over 75% of global resources. They're where we live, work, travel, build, and waste. That makes cities the perfect place to start the circular revolution. Welcome to Circular Cities, urban ecosystems designed to eliminate waste, regenerate resources, and build thriving communities. But it doesn't happen by accident. It happens through design. And it happens through policy. Let's explore both. What is a circular city? A circular city designs out waste and pollution at every level: buildings, mobility, energy, food, infrastructure. It keeps materials in use and natural systems restored. Instead of extract, use, and dispose, it loops value within the city itself. Circular cities prioritize shared and public mobility, modular low-impact architecture, local food systems and composting, water and energy reuse, circular procurement and local repair economies. Cities like Amsterdam, Copenhagen, and Paris are already embedding these principles. So, how do they get there? That's where policy comes in. Key circular city policies. 1. Circular procurement. Cities spend billions on goods and infrastructure. Circular procurement means only buying products that are repairable, recyclable, or reusable. 2. Urban mining regulation. Policy can require that buildings be designed for disassembly and materials documented in digital passports for future reuse. 3. Waste as resource. Smart policies reclassify waste as a resource, enabling reuse and reducing landfill taxes. 4. Zero-waste building codes. Copenhagen mandates that new buildings must reuse or recycle at least 70% of their construction material. 5. Right to repair laws. Cities like New York are pushing policies to ensure consumers can fix products locally, reducing e-waste and building jobs. 6. Circular innovation zones. Urban districts are being redesigned to pilot circular services, shared mobility, material exchanges, circular food markets. Tax shifting. Cities can reduce taxes on labor and increase them on virgin materials, making circular business models more competitive. 8. Circular education and public engagement. Policy supports awareness campaigns, school programs, and citizen repair initiatives to build a circular culture from the ground up. But circular cities are more than policies. They're systems. They require collaboration between government, business, and citizens. They require platforms for sharing: bikes, tools, clothes, even data. They require data infrastructure to track flows of materials, energy, and waste. They need new indicators of success, not just GDP, but materials reused, jobs created, and emissions avoided. Cities are rising to the challenge. Barcelona has mapped all construction waste for reuse. London supports circular startups through accelerator programs. Amsterdam tracks citywide material flow and has set a goal to be fully circular by 2050. These cities know that circularity is not a sacrifice. It's a smarter, cleaner, more resilient way to grow. Because when cities go circular, they don't just reduce harm, they multiply value. They become hubs of regeneration. They become models of possibility. They become engines of the circular future. This is how we build circular cities. This is how policy powers the loop.